because we were able to make things back in the 80s look great. So we were able to make things look great with really harsh chemicals. Now we've got really good conditioning products and really good styling products. It's a lot easier for us. I use Shu because I believe it is the best product on the market. Okay, and it's taken me 32 years to get to a point where I found a product company that I finally feel comfortable with. Okay, and I have worked for pretty much every product company as a hired gun that's out there.
One of my go-to products for the Shu Uemura is the mousse. I love that it's still very lightweight, but it gives a lot of volume as well.
Today we use the Moruto volume is to create the texture and the volume, but at the same time it moisturizes the hair. It's one of the best.
I definitely learned about putting the hairspray on the root before you blow dried it, so that's what I started with. And then I also used the fiber lift, the Shu Uemura, through the ends. It definitely gave the hair so much more volume when you blow dry.